Hello my friend, welcome to Python. In this video, we will learn concatenation string. It's often used to combine two strings. It means that we can add two strings. We will demonstrate with an example. Let us first name is Virat. Last name is Kohli. Everyone know about Virat Kohli, isn't it? So how can you add Virat and Kohli? So in one variable name, I can concatenate first name and the last name. First name double inverted commas and last name. Then you will print simply name. Print name and save this program from Control plus S. Then go for the run options. Here see Virat Kohli has appeared. What is concatenation? You know what concatenation. Concatenation means simply add two string. Here is the one string is Virat, another string is Kohli. With this help of plus operators, we will add this two string. If you like this video, please stay in this channel. Thank